employee, part-time student, and a resident in one of our poorest neighborhoods. My confidence in this city led me to invest the future of my community, starting with our educational system, which is at a detrimental stage. The Boston community experiences many inequalities in areas of substantial effects, life opportunities and mobility, including health, education, and affordable loans for first-time homebuyers for middle-class families. Many, like me, are making great efforts towards transcending these adversities. One such way is by giving our children the opportunity to a quality education, which will ultimately create adults who will contribute to our improving and addressing those very adversities. The results of a quality education have a domino effect in producing better education and well-trained learners that can contribute to our economy and simultaneously invest in super local communities. But quality education for all of Boston children cannot be sustained without consistent and adequate funding, along with policies that have an invested influence on improving the quality of our district schools, lifting the cap for our charter schools to expand our options for educational experiences. We should not have to choose between quality, but by the type of educational experience. The budgets and caps for our schools have been a key investment for our children's opportunity to educational excellence and for their future contributions to our community and economy. My daughter, Julisse, who is 13, has been a part of the MECO program since first grade. This experience has contributed to her personal edification and ability to successfully navigate today's diverse and knowledge-based society. The integrated classroom experience has expanded her social horizons through better trained teachers with a more varied curriculum, which has enriched her education. My son Devontae, in his third year in a charter school. This charter school has ignited his intellect as it is reflected in his writing, and especially his participation in class. The educators are often impressed with Devontae's input because of his ability to articulate a critical analysis of the subject. In fact, they hold him to a very high standard because they know he is fully capable of delivering and meeting their standards. As a result, he has been the student of choice to represent their school at events, recite his poems and other writings in front of the entire class, be the spokesperson at their town hall meetings, and they have even published his Black history and women's history poems. While budgets may just be a number in a balance sheet to everyone here, they have a real life impact on our families and our community. It is a source of investment for the benefit of our commonwealth. I strongly urge you to accept the fact that this is an investment and reconsider increasing the budget on education, lifting the cap on charter schools, while improving policies that will reflect your integrity, dedication, and efforts towards the community you represent.